once grateful to you, but if this is our fate, so be it. You leave me.
Yeah, I woke up, I chose violence, choke up. These bitches silent, get fucked, nowhere to hide and no luck. I must oblige, I came to bludgeon all you pussies. You can call it what you want. I've been feeling kinda manic, I might kill them just for fun. Collecting heads, think you're better off dead. I could lie and say it isn't personal, I'm seeing red. You're the target, I'm the missile. Don't worry, they won't miss you. I think I got some problems, turning nothing to an issue. Now I solve it with my I popped off, it's been a little boring. All my enemies are hiding out, it gets annoying. Guess I gotta sniff them out, I'm searching till the morning. Finally found a prey, okay, so now's the day for morning. I used to wanna kill myself, but now I only kill the snakes. Bitch, don't say you know me, cause you've always been a fake. I've been posted in my dungeon, got the tools to make you vanish. I've been itching for destruction, I might take over the planet. White knuckle blades, slinging where you at, bitch. They open the fucking gates, I came out with my heart ripped. I put them in a body bag, yeah, you know that's my shit. I don't fuck with you, now it's time to put you in a ditch. Okay, bodies on bodies, I cannot stop, I got a problem, bitch, I'm awful, I got it. Just fucking drop me in the coffin, I'm just talking shit. This is what you wanted, right? No more Mr. Nice Guy, you'll be saying bye, bye. Cause I woke up, I chose violence, choke up. These bitches silent, get fucked, nowhere to hide and no luck. I must oblige, I came to bludgeon all you pussies. You can call it what you want. I've been feeling kinda manic, I might kill them just for fun. Collecting heads, think you're better off dead. I could lie and say it isn't personal, I'm seeing red. You're the target, I'm the missile. Don't worry, they won't miss you. I think I got some problems, turning nothing to an issue. Now I solve it with my